Hey everyone, today we are going to be learning how to make brown butter. Alright, all you need today is a small saucepan, some butter, and a spatula. I'm going to start by warming my saucepan on medium heat. Now I'm adding in my butter. I've cut it in small chunks so that it melts easier. The butter I'm using today is unsalted, but you can use either salted or unsalted. I personally actually prefer salted butter. Once you see that the butter is almost completely melted, give it a stir to break up the rest of it. We are now going to let it sit for a few minutes. During this time, the water will be cooking out and the milk particles will begin to foam. Keep your eye on it and don't go far because you don't want it to burn. These next few minutes are very crucial. We are now going to be looking for brown specks and a fragrant, nutty aroma to start. Alright, it's been about 10 minutes and now it's starting to boil, so I'm going to stir the butter a bit and turn my heat down to low. Brown butter can be used in many baking recipes such as cookies, cinnamon rolls, and pie crusts, and even for regular cooking and sauteing. I am now going to turn off the heat completely and let the butter sit again for a few minutes. The brown specks that you see forming are the milk particles starting to caramelize. If you want, you can strain the butter and remove the brown specks. However, I find that they actually help keep the flavor in food. I let the butter sit for about 5 minutes and now I'm going to pour it into a measuring cup. As you can see, the butter has a caramel color, and don't be alarmed. The bits in the video look very dark or burnt, but they're not. They're brown as they should be. Overall, the process took under 20 minutes total, which was pretty quick. And there you have it, browned butter. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all next week.